Fittings are fabricated pipe components used to perform specific functions throughout the routing of a pipeline. Fittings can make directional changes such as elbows, create a branch from a main pipe such as tees, or make a reduction in the diameter of a pipe such as reducers. Take a look at the following piping system. It includes various fittings, highlighted here in blue. 390-degree elbows. In green, 3 tees. And finally, a reducer. Because fittings are part of the piping system, they must match as closely as possible, in specification and rating, to the pipe to which they are being attached. Fittings like pipe are actually manufactured and classified according to their wall thickness. There are, however, many more thicknesses of pipe than there are thicknesses of fittings. Fittings are commercially manufactured in standard weight, extra strong, Schedule 160, and double extra strong categories. In the petrochemical industry, most companies have guidelines known as piping specifications that state pipes 3-inch in diameter and larger will have butt weld connections. These specifications are simply specs, as they are more commonly referred to, may also require pipes smaller than 3-inch in diameter to have screwed or socket weld connections. For uniformity, these petrochemical specifications will be used throughout this course as a basis for determining pipe connection requirements. However, this is not to say this is the only spec that can be written. There may be cases where small-bore pipe configurations are butt welded, and other cases where larger size pipe configurations may be screwed or socket weld. There will be more about this in the section covering piping codes and specifications.